Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best big and tall gaming chair that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, OFM Essentials Collection Racing Style Gaming Chair. The OFM Essentials Collection Racing Style Chair is another inexpensive product that offers excellent comfort and stability. Like the Respawn 110, the OFM Essentials features a racing-style design that allows you to remain comfortable even during intense gaming sessions or after a long day. It comes with padded armrests, headrests, and contoured segmented padding that helps provide excellent support. Tall guys in the 275 pounds weight range will love the support offered by this gaming chair. You get a 360-degree swivel, and the seat is 25-inch deep and 21 inches wide, providing you with enough room to move around. It's also very stable, thanks to the smooth wheels and the wide base it comes with. While the 275 pounds weight capacity is an excellent rating, it won't be enough for big and tall guys with a bulkier frame. At number 4, DXRacer Gaming Chair Ergonomic Office. These chairs are well known to esports players and their fans. We are featured by popular esports teams such as Complexity, Dignitas, and Fnatic, and are represented at big events such as UMG and WCG. The Formula Series high-density cold cure foam filling makes these chairs comfortable for extended use, especially for durations of 8 hours and longer. With a tubular steel frame and a nylon star base, as well as comfortable armrests, the Formula Series offers superb stability. High backrest. Most office chairs have a low back, making it impossible to rest your neck. DXRacer has overcome this problem successfully with its range of high back office and gaming chairs. In addition, the DXRacer seat can be lowered degrees, to a comfortable position for power napping during long overtime sessions at night, due to its angle adjuster. You're sure to be comfortable. At number 3, AKRacing Core Series XWide Gaming Chair. Get yourself more room with the AKRacing XWide gaming chair. Boasting a sturdy all-metal frame, this chair comes with XL seat and backrest, as well as increased weight capacity up to 330 pounds. Fabric upholstery beloved by AKRacing customers comes in multiple color variations, black with color accents for a more conservative setup and red with black accents for a pop of color. Increased foam weight provides additional cushioning for long hours of gaming or work, while headrest and lumbar pillow support your neck and back, improving posture. All of that functionality sits atop a 5-star aluminum base, steel frame, and large 2.5-inch casters. At number 2, BestOffice PC Gaming Chair Ergonomic Office Chair Desk Chair. Gaming chair, racing chair, office chair, PU leather chair, desk chair, adjustable chair, ergonomic chair, task chair, computer chair, mid-back swivel chair, rolling chair, gaming, racing, office, PU leather, desk, adjustable, ergonomic, task, computer, mid-back swivel, rolling chair, desk chair, adjustable chair, ergonomic, task chair, PU leather chair, office chair, armrest chair, executive, mid-back chair, task chair, office, computer, desk chair, chair, suitable, adjustable chair, office chair, ergonomic, task chair, computer chair, PU leather chair, executive chair, swivel chair, rolling chair, office, adjustable desk, task, computer, ergonomic, executive, swivel, rolling chair, PU leather chair. Office chair have swivels 360 degrees for multitasking convenience, and its durable casters allow for smooth rolling mobility from one area of the office to another again. Finally, at number 1, Sibosen Gaming Chair Office Chair Computer Chair. The chair tilt and lift levers are located on the right, beneath the chair, and the fixed armrests are padded for elbow relief. The game chair features bonded leather and a 155-degree tilt, with infinite angle lock, allowing you to choose your best angle. The adjustable lumbar and head pillow gives you the support you need for long hours in any game. Put your feet up and relax with a built-in extendable footrest. With a 300 pounds weight capacity, this Sibosen gaming chair helps you bring your excellent game experience to every match. Our Sibosen gaming chair is an ideal choice for you to play computer games, do your jobs, watch movies or TV, and even for sports players. Comfortable and elegant to study, work or play with this gaming chair. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.